Hello everyone. In today's video, I want to share with you a QGIS workflow that I recently created with the help of ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a large language model trained by OpenAI. I was able to successfully add a Chainage reference from a line vector layer to a point vector layer using QGIS graphical modeler. ChatGPT provided step-by-step instructions for the workflow. It also answered my questions and clarifications on some of the steps. It was a really good experience. I've used publicly available spatial data for demonstration, which contains a line vector layer presenting the road network sections and a point layer presenting location codes, as you can see in the screen. This is how the QGIS graphical modeler looks like. So I have used it to create a workflow automating 3 algorithms, which involved using the Densify by interval, extract vertices, and join attributes by nearest algorithms. I was hoping that the output will be the same point layer, but adding to each point a chainage distance from the line layer. I've added also a clear algorithm to cleanse the data and the output. So after that, I've just done run to the model. And after a few minutes, it gave me the result or the output layer, which was points with the chainage layer in the layer panel. When I open the attribute table for that new layer, I can see there's a column or there's a field for chainage distance. And from there, you can see the chainage distance as 177 meters. So I wanted to just double check or check that value for the first point. And check if it matches the measurement within QGIS. So it does. And then I got another point to check around 250 meter, and the measurement confirmed the distance as well. So good job. All right, how you can benefit from this tool? Well, you can create a reference or a link between different assets like traffic signs with road inventory, utilities, drainage asset, maintenance works, specific events like flooding, to name a few. And it might be needed for a whole city or even a whole country. Now imagine how much effort it's going to take to do it manually. So we have managed to do it in few minutes or less. And that's magic. I hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you have any questions or feedback, please feel free to leave a comment below. And if you like this video, please consider a subscribe, a like, and a follow. Thank you for watching, and I'll be seeing you in the next video.